So you're in the kitchen, you're waiting for your pasta water to boil, maybe something's in the oven, maybe you got kids nearby that they're doing their homework or something, and so you have a little bit of time to kill in the kitchen. So let's do an express, anytime, anywhere kitchen workout. I'm gonna kick off my slippers right here. Literally, I'm always in my slippers in the kitchen. I just love wearing them, but let's get started. Let's start with a few deep breaths in. Inhale. And exhale, let it all go. One more big deep breath. Really just try to center yourself as you're here in the kitchen. Maybe some chaos is going on. My mom always used to say, your muscles don't know if you're in a fancy gym or just in your living room or your kitchen. Great. Now let's place those hands right behind your head and some slow standing marches. Inhale. Exhale as you drive the knee to the chest. Great, just a little bit of a warm up to get your blood flowing, your lower half going. 3, 2, and 1. Let's spread those feet a little bit more than hip distance apart right here. And now take it from side to side, just reaching for each side. Keeping those shoulders down and back. A little bit of a bend in your lower half as well. Great. For 3, for 2. And as you finish that 1, let's place the hand right here on the countertop and come up for a nice leg lift. Beautiful. Now, if you don't have a counter, you guys can do this. It's just static, holding on to nothing, but I always love the extra support right here, especially in the kitchen. Again, if you're waiting on your food to be ready, why not make the most of your time? Why not maximize your minutes? Maybe you didn't have time to work out today, but you're doing it now, and that counts. Great. Holding yourself up and propping yourself with this hand on the counter, I feel like just really makes you concentrate on those outer thighs. Last one. Let's come down for a nice mini curtsy and then lift. Wonderful. Back. Great. Last 2. Last 1. Let's leave the leg on up there, stretch it on over, and standing crunches. Beautiful. Again, exhale as you drive that knee. I like to use the counter to just lean slightly over to really get that nice side bend to a crunch. 3, 2, and 1. Now, let's go nice and parallel to that countertop. Same leg, right? Same leg that was doing the leg lifts. Now we're gonna come back and drive the knee up. Wonderful. Millie is barking. Oh gosh. Great work, you guys. Lift up. Beautiful, and straighten that back leg. Squeeze the glutes. So I'll come to the side so y'all can see. So we're coming here, coming forward, hinging forward just a little bit, lengthening that leg, squeezing the booty. Wonderful. For 4, 3, 2, let's hold at the top for this last one. Hold, 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 and pulse. For 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, relax. All right, I don't know if I'm already sweating because something was on broil and the kitchen is so hot right now, but let's go to the other side. So I'm taking the other side and we have some nice basic leg lifts. I hope this is really showing you guys you really can do it anywhere, anytime. I've always believed that. Truly, ever since I was little. Literally, one of my mom's book covers was her doing a leg lift like this with me in her arms. So she really instilled that in me. Great. 2. Let's add that curtsy. We're curtsying back and lift. Great. Mini little curtsy and up. Core tight, good posture. Beautiful. For 3. Woo! 2. Last one. Leave that leg lifted. 1. Really reach over that countertop. So come right here, reaching over and crunch it out. Really lengthen your entire body, those fingertips, stretching it out as well. And then exhale. Great. Nice work. 4, 3, float the foot. 2, and 1. Now, squaring on up. What I want you guys to do is drive that knee. Take it back, leg lift. Beautiful. Inhale. Great work, you guys. Really squeeze, keep the core tight. Bring the leg up, that knee drive, using the lower abs, and exhale. We have 4. Nice work. 3. 2. Let's hold and pulse. Leg lift on the way back. Hold and pulse. Here we go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Squeeze tighter. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Let's turn to the counter wherever you are and do some push-ups. Working a little bit of our upper body now. Just did a little leg Pilates. Now, take those toes. I mean, if you can go further back, but the further back you go, the more of an impact you're gonna make with your upper body. So, coming down and lift. Awesome. Pushing off the counter. Keeping the core nice and tight. Even your glutes are nice and tight as well. Your hips are tucked under. We have 8. You got it. Keep going. 7. 4. 3. Almost there. I'm sweating. 2. We're gonna hold at the bottom in 1. Hold, pulse for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it up. Now inch those fingers, inch the toes in. So we are at the edge of the counter right here. What I want you guys to do is coming up onto your tippy toes. Now, your calves are so tight. They're so tight, 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 tight. Now what we're gonna do is inch in the knees. So we're holding those knees and squeezing the thighs in together. We're gonna come for a nice narrow squat and pick it on up. Wonderful. So we're squatting down, holding, and reaching up. Wonderful. Staying on those tippy toes. I love this counterbalance. We have 6, 5, woo, my legs are shaking. 4, 3, 2, you already know what's next. We're gonna hold and pulse at the bottom. In 1, hold and pulse, pulse, pulse for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now little abductions right here. Oh my gosh, my legs are literally shaking so hard. So we're just doing a nice clam move right here, holding on to that counter for 8, 7, 6. We have arms up next. 4, 3, you got it, 2, 1. I mean, literally, that was crazy shaking. All right, little bit of arms before I let you guys go. What we have right here, cross those arms in front and bring them out nice and wide, opening up that chest. Great for the posture, letting it go a little bit. Nice work. Beautiful. Now, what we're gonna do is cross over, but now the palms to the back of the room. So take those palms back of the room. And of course, core nice and tight, even your butt squeeze. For 3, 2, we're gonna take the palms back of the room and pulse it out right here. Nice work. Here we go. 4, 3, 2, arm circle it out in 1. Nice. Now, all these arm moves are truly anytime, anywhere. At your work desk. Sometimes I'm actually, not sometimes, all the time. Sometimes if I'm like going up to get water, I'm just like, my friends make fun of me. They're like, you just like really don't stop moving. Like, not really, yay. But that's the point, why not? Gives you energy, you're working out anywhere, anytime, getting it in. Nice work, 4, 3, 2, chest openers in 1. Almost there, you guys. Stay with me. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Last arm move right here before I let you guys go. Tricep kickback. Let's just make sure we're getting the back of our arms too. So hinging over. Now, core in tight, butt tight, knees are slightly bent. Get those arms up there. Squeeze the triceps, the back of the arms for 8. Shoulders down. Forearms higher. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kitchen workout. How we doing? You did it. All you need is yourself and your kitchen as you wait for your food to be ready. And now, hopefully you feel accomplished. Hopefully you feel like, okay, at least I did something. You made the most of your time multitasking. So thanks for being here today. Mwah. I'll see you next time.